In the name of Allah, hello my dear students in our distance learning by Mr. Mus'ad Sabir and the English supervisor Mr. Ahmed Shirbini. Allows private school for boys. Traveler 4, lesson 18, pages 53 and 54. Exercises. Okay, now let's go to your notes on this page. Page 53. Please, my dear students, pay attention to answer all the questions correctly. Complete the sentences using the correct form of the words in the boxes. The first box, emotional, physical, mental. And I told you before what is the difference between these words. Okay, let's read the questions to choose the right word to complete the sentences. Number 1, Hassan pays a lot of attention to his space's appearance. What is the right answer for number 1? Good. The right answer is the word physical. Because I told you before that the word physical relates to the body. And here we are speaking about his appearance. So the right answer is physical. Number 2, the math problem was quite difficult and I had to make a big spaces effort to solve it. Here we need what to solve the problems or difficult problems? Good. Mental. Because it relates to the mind or the thinking. And number 3, Bayans has given a lot of love and spaces support to her ill grandmother. Yes, the right answer here is the word emotional. Because this word is relating to or relates to the feelings. There is another box with 3 words: pollute, poison, infect. And number 4, Steve didn't want to space his colleagues with the flu, so he stayed at home. What is the right answer? Good. Infect. Steve didn't want to infect his colleagues. He doesn't want his colleagues to catch the flu like him. Number 5, the residents are concerned that the toxic waste from the new factory has spaces the river. Yes, the right answer here is the word polluted. But here we add ed to the verb pollute to change it into the past because this sentence is in the past. Number 6, according to legend, the king was spaces by his enemies. Here we must say poisoned, according to the legend, the king was poisoned by his enemies. There is another box with the words cure, heal, recover. And number 7 says, Michael was told his wand would take 6 weeks to cure, to heal, to recover. What is the right word? Good. The right word here is the word heal. Because when we speak about a wand, we use the word heal when the person recovers from this wand. And number 8, Jane believes she can spaces her headaches by drinking herbal tea. What is the right word? Cure or recover? Good. The right word is the word cure. Cure followed by the disease, like you see, cure hair headaches or cure hair toothache, any disease or any illness. Okay, number 9, it took my mother several months to spaces from her hip operation. What is the right answer? The right answer is the word recover, because we say recover from an illness or recover from the operation, like you see in the example. The last box with the words gain, earn, raise. And the number 10 says David needs 2 spaces some extra money, so he has 2 jobs. Excellent. Here we must use the word earn because we use this word with the money. Number 11, the charity managed 2 spaces 10,000 for children for children in need. Here we must use the word raise, and we use this word when we collect money to help the poor or the people in need. And number 12, I have spaces a lot of weight of white recently, so I decided to see a detection. The right answer is the word gain. I have gained a lot of weight recently, so I decided to see a dietitian. Okay, let's go to in your notes on page 54. Here I'd like you to choose the right answer. Number 1, the employees at this hotel will spaces your every need and desire. The right answer is promote, cater for, offer, provide. Good. The right answer is letter B. And number 2, the space from my window is absolutely breathtaking. And I told you before what is the difference between sight or view and image are seen. What is the right answer? Good. The right answer is the word view. We can say the view from my window is absolutely breathtaking. Number 3, I spaces in bed. When someone is in bed, we use the word what? Lay, lain, laid, lied. I spaces in bed for over 3 hours trying to get to sleep. Good. The right answer is letter A. Number 4, it was already dark by the time we spaces for my brother's house. Okay, the right answer is letter A, set off. When we want to begin a journey to a place or to another house, we use the word set off. Not lockdown, turn out, went after. They are wrong. And number 5, unfortunately, money is many politicians only what? Recreation, motivation, determination, courage. Good. Letter B is the right. Number 6, it took months for soldiers wants to, I told you before, when we want to say the wants recover, or when someone feel better from his wants, we say the use cure or increase, heal or recover. Good. Letter C is the right answer because, like I told you, we use heal with the wants. Number 7, gas prices have spaces and many people are unhappy about it. Gained, decreased, grown, rising. Good. When we want to speak about or talk about the high prices, we use the word rise, not grown or decreased or gained. Number 8, and it is the last question for today. I have asked you spaces to turn the lights off and lock the door when you leave the house, but you never do. So when you want to tell someone many times to do things, you use occasionally, quickly, just for now, repeatedly. Good. Letter D is the right answer. I have asked you repeatedly because he asked him many times. So we use this word. Okay. This is our lesson for today. In the end, I'd like to thank you for your follow. I hope you answered all the questions about the vocabularies with me in your notes. Thank you and follow me in the next video, lesson 19, page 55. Goodbye.